Get ready with me today as I trade this market, um, EURJPY, and I'm gonna do a technical analysis on this space. So, looking at the market from the daily time frame here, I've been able to mark out some major levels where I want to work with. So, what you can see here is a market that is tending to shift from bullish to bearish. As we can see, price is already beginning to decline. Okay, after price aggressively dropped from this top here, we also see that it's finding a resistance at this key level here. So price is likely bearish, and also we can see this peak formation of double top here. As you can see, this is the first high, this is the second high, and price is at the neckline, which I anticipate a possible break out of this level. So price is likely going to decline further. That is from the daily perspective. So let's quickly check the intraday time frame. Here from the H4 time frame, what do we see? If we take a look at the H4 time frame, we can identify this immediate trend here. We can identify this immediate trend, and we see that price slightly broke below the trend, but still finding support right here. We're still finding support right here. Okay, so I have to extend this. Okay, so we are still finding support around here, but I expect a breakout of this level. So you can see what I labeled here as that if I see sellers, I'm going to sell short. And from the 1 hour time frame that I plan to execute, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. We can see that there is a current rejection occurring at that level. Okay, there is a current rejection here. You can see this current candle is being rejected around that key level where I plan to execute a sell. So I'm gonna be selling EURJPY today, and there is no much economic report for the day. We only have S&P Global Manufacturing PMI flash, which will come up by 8:30. This is currently 7:46, and I'll just be monitoring price for me to be able to take a trade. If I see sellers in this daily key level here, we can see how price has been ranging here. So that's also a clear sign that something is actually going on. So inside of that accumulation from the intraday perspective, I am looking forward to selling. So I'll be calling this trade live by 11 o'clock this morning. So be in the Telegram channel where I share analysis. Thanks for watching.